Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another book review. So this one is a Christmas one. I'm so thrilled about Christmas. So this is Marigold Press, My Christmas Treasury, a collection of Christmas stories, poems, and songs. Okay, so it's a beautiful pink cover. And I had this underneath there to hold it up at an angle so the lights wouldn't shine on it. So this one, well, looks like it was a Goodwill book. And so here is the back. Christmas carols, isn't that pretty? All right. And you know, I should start telling you the ISBN number so that you can really look for it. So the ISBN number is right there. So that you can search for it. I'm sorry, this camera, I'm not sure why it's not. There we go. Nope. Crazy thing. Okay, I'll read it to you. ISBN 0-307-10974-7. Okay, so this is fantastic. And it's a tire signature. Did I measure? Gosh, I don't even remember if I measured. I got short-term memory. 9 3/4 by 11 1/4. So this is a fairly good sized book. All right, let's take a look. It has nice thick pages. So this is copyright 1968. Christmas is coming. Oh my gosh. A Christmas for Bears. Oh, look at this one. It's pink and brown. There's a little folded page there. Looks like. Push that back down. There we go. Oh, here's some more of that pink and brown. It's just really different colored pages. Oh, it's got staples in it, so you can take the staples out and use the whole entire page. I love that. That's what I aim to get. Christmas story. We three kings of Orient are. Some music. Night before Christmas. Love the vintage illustrations. Oh, little town of Bethlehem. There's some more music. So that was that. It was a simple little Christmas book, but I loved it. So just because that was a cute, short version of a book, I'm just going to do a little bonus book. It's not really a book, but I want to explain this. This is Feed USA. I don't know, you know, where it's from or whatever. It has a cloth. You know, it probably was, you know, it's a journal. Okay, it's Target. There's a Target thing there. So sometime in, what is it, 2013, you know, Feed USA. So maybe the money or proceeds went to something. Okay, but if you look at this journal, if I can get it to focus. I always have so much trouble with this camera to focus. Okay, if you can see that, it is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signatures. Huge signatures, okay, in this book. And all it is a journal. It's a journal with dotted pages. For writing on. But what I loved about it, and I explained it in another video, is that I always look for journals, and you usually can pick up these journals really cheap because it's just an empty journal. And I don't know where I got this one. This might have been in the $3 bag, fill-a-bag. But my point is, these are signatures that have the strings in them in all the dotted lines. This is perfect paper for taking your razor, and I explained this razor blade in another video, that this is all you do, and it cuts it. It is that simple, and I'll show you. It's effortless with this blade. And I ordered some more of these blades because there is a name for this type of blade, but I don't know what it's called. And when I get the order in, I couldn't find it locally, so I had to order it. But this is the blade that I use for cutting the strings. It is so simple. Because you don't want to use scissors, because scissors, I'll show you. Sorry, turning my thing. If you use scissors, you have to cut down into the paper. You know, you have to get underneath that string, and that string is tight usually. So then you're damaging the book page, especially if it's a nice book or whatever. So that razor blade is the razor blade for cutting, and it's just so simple because the razor blade is so thin. You just push. Now, I also did find this type of razor blade. You can buy the razor blade anywhere, but this is a carpet cutter. So you would take it on the edge of your carpet, and then you would pull, and it would just cut the carpet. But this is the same thing. It has a really tiny hook on it, sharp, so that you can easily just get right under it and lift up and cut the blade. So I bought the blades, and I just bought this, you know, it's Craftsman. I don't care for Craftsman, but I just put the blade in there. So now look at what you can do. So now I just cut that entire signature out, and look, it pulls right out. Now you have full pages, see? A full page that you can take out and put into a journal. That's it. It's already done for you. All the lines are already there. That's why I like these types of journals, especially the ones that are sewn. It's just like lined paper already for you, and people prefer to have lines than not writing on lines, is from what I understand from a lot of the comments that I've read. So even if there's writing in it, like this looks like a crayon got loose, it doesn't matter. There's a million pages here to stick in a journal. So it doesn't matter what the cover is or anything. It's really all about the inside of the journal, or the inside of these writing journals. So that is why I choose them. And this is another journal that I was showing in a different video. It's the same thing. It's a blank writing journal. This one has lines in it. And you just take the pages apart and pull them right out. Please look at the spine though, because this one happens to be glued in. I'm gonna try to, I have to try to get the block out and then see, but it looks like they are signatures, but they also might have glue behind them. So these might have to be cut out, and then you can still put them in your journal. So I prefer this style where I can take the whole entire page out. All right, so that's just a little tip. So again, hope you enjoyed my book review, and hopefully I'm helping you out. All right, thank you so much. Bye.